I'm here with Jason from AutoStore, right?
Yes.
Jason, thanks for coming along to this morning's HLC Swisslog Breakfast. How did you find it?
Oh, I find this very interesting. It's very insightful. You learn the future trends and what the market leaders are, the visions are, and I think it's a very meaningful, event that we are having together to explore the future of the green sustainability topic.
Yeah. And AutoStore is obviously doing some wonderful things. I know that you're already a great partner with Swisslog, doing some fantastic fit outs. Have you got new innovations on the way coming that are even more sustainable?
We always have, and that's always in our R&D pipeline to find how do we meet the sustainability target, because within AutoStore we have our own targets that we need to meet, like every other corporate company.
Yeah.
We want to be one of those that we are proud of to say, hey, we are the greenest. And at the moment, in terms of goods per person, 10 robots consume the same energy as one vacuum cleaner, as we already know it. So we are already clean, but how do we bring that to the next level? And that's something our team has always been working on. And it's not just the robots, it's all the other moving parts, because there's, a lot of, the ports have moving parts and all the other stuff. How do we make that greener as well? So that's always on our agenda. How do we streamline engineering? Yes.
Yeah, fantastic. What about things like the neighbours and the accounting, reporting? Did you get some good takeaways today yourself?
Yeah, to be honest, I've never heard of them before, and this is the first time that I'm exposed to those companies and the concepts behind them.
Yeah.
So definitely I've made some notes for myself to bring back.
Wonderful. And last question, Jason. How do you see Australia when it comes to the global marketplace for automation and take up in that type of, the new technology?
I think there's a great potential, simply because of the current climate, especially labour shortages, the inflation of the real estate industry. There's not a lot of land left, and also being the densest system in the world, we see a lot of potential over there. And when we talk about green and sustainability, as what the presenter was mentioning earlier, you might have a lot of forklifts running around and not saying replace, but if there's an opportunity to reduce forklift use and put some robots in, say, for example, in AutoStore, the energy consumption is very different.
Yeah.
So how do we tackle green on that front, but at the same time we need to ensure that whatever technology option that the end user is selecting is benefiting their business, because at the end of the day, that's all what matters, the return of investment.
Yeah, that's true.
And we see AutoStore being one of the most attractive in the market.
Yeah, well, I saw it first. I was at Scootopia yesterday. I love it. Great fit out. Looks great. So thanks so much for coming along to this morning's breakfast, and I'm glad you got so much out of it. Look forward to seeing another event in the future.
Thank you. Will do. I appreciate the invite.
Thanks, Jason. Cheers.
Thank you.
Thanks, Jason.
Thank you.